The rm command removes files. Be careful with this command. Rm does not ask you for confirmation. For example, rm file would delete the file named test in the current directory. Like with other commands, you could also specify a full path to a file like this. This will delete the file at this path on your file system. If the directory is not empty, you can use a recursive rm command to remove the directory and all files in it. rm-r directory will delete the directory named dir and all files in it. This is a dangerous command that could easily delete a lot of important files. So be careful when using it. It won't ask for confirmation too. The mv command moves a file to a new location. This is also the command you'll use to rename files. For example, mv file new file will take the file named file in the current directory and move it to the file named new file, renaming it in other words. Like with other commands, you can include full paths to move files to or from other directories. For example, the following command would take the file name text file in the current directory and place it in the mkdir folder. The cp command works the same way as the mv command, except it copies the original files instead of moving them. You can also do a recursive copy with cp-r. This copies a directory and all files inside it to a new location. For example, the following command places a copy of the mkdir directory into the mkdir2 in current directory. The mkdir command makes a new directory. This example will make a directory with the name X in the current directory. The ln command creates links. This is like the shortcuts in Windows. The most commonly used type of link is probably the symbolic link, which you can create with ln-s. For example, the following command creates a link to our real folder. On our link folder, the touch command creates an empty file. For example, touch creates an empty file named test.txt in the current directory, and now we can create, delete, move and copy files from terminal.